Welcome back, diecast fans from around the world. Today we're unboxing something awesome. Hey diecast lovers, welcome back to Diecast Diorama. Today we're going to review this Nissan GT-R R35 50th anniversary diecast from Chic Auto, scale 1/64. Let's check it out up close. Here's the packaging. Looks awesome with the MSZ metal speed zone and CCA Chic Auto logos on the top left. It's a 1/64 scale model, and this is the special 50th anniversary edition of the Nissan GT-R. What's interesting is it says working suspension right here, so we'll definitely test that out later. Let's crack it open, and there it is. A gorgeous metallic blue finish with a white racing stripe down the center. Classic GT-R anniversary colors. First up, the front view. Check out those sharp hood lines, the large grille with that iconic red GT-R badge. It instantly screams performance. The headlights are nicely detailed too for a diecast of this scale, really capturing that aggressive GT-R look. Moving to the rear, here we see the classic GT-R signature, 4 round tail lamps. The quad exhaust tips are painted black, giving it a sporty vibe. And that rear spoiler, it completes the racing aesthetic perfectly. Now from the side. The proportions look fantastic, with black 5-spoke wheels that add to its fierce stance. The metallic blue paint reflects light beautifully, making this diecast look premium. For such a small scale, the details are impressive. A must-have for any GT-R fan, or if you simply want an awesome piece on your shelf. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss our next awesome diecast review. See you in the next video. Where are you watching from? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more diecast awesomeness.